Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Olá, Sister Mercy. Happy birthday to you. Feliz aniversário, minha Sister Mercy. Você sabe que eu te carrego dentro do meu coração. Eu te amo, nós te amamos. Obrigada por ser essa pessoa tão especial em nossas vidas. Peço que Deus continue te abençoando sempre, todos os dias, cada dia mais, com muitas felicidades, com muito amor, saúde, paz e tudo que há de bom nessa vida. Porque você merece, porque você é essa irmã animada, alegre, aqui é só alegria. Eu te amo, como não pensar na Sister Mercy e não lembrar de uma coisa boa, de uma boa risada, de alegria. Irmã, você é alegria. Tô falando em português. Eu te amo muito, hoje e pra sempre, sempre, sempre. I love you so much, my beautiful Sister Mercy. I love you so much. Happy birthday to you. Kiss.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. Parabéns, Mercy. Hello, my friend. Deus te abençoe, feliz aniversário. Você continua sendo sempre essa pessoa maravilhosa que você é. Que você tenha muita paz, saúde, prosperidade. E love you, Mercy.
Oi, Mercy, meu amor, Mercy linda da tia Maria. Mercy, meu amor, linda da tia Maria. Feliz aniversário pra você, meu amor. Que Deus te abençoe, que Deus te ilumine, que você é uma pessoa maravilhosa, que Deus continue trabalhando na sua vida, que Deus abençoe sua vida, que Deus ilumine o seu lar, que Deus esteja presente sempre na sua vida, viu? Feliz aniversário. E tu mora no coração da tia Maria, Mercy. Hello, Mercy linda da tia Maria.
Hello everyone, good morning and good evening to the other part of the world. Today is a special day of our special friend here in Waikiki, which is celebrating her birthday today. And very special dahil nandito tayo sa nature. At hagardosa nga dahil malayo-layo yung ating nilakad, of course. But anyway, nais lang kitang batiin ng happy birthday, Lala's Mercy, and enjoy together with your family and more prosperous years to come. Wish you all the best, good health lagi, and thank you for the love and support, and thank you for your generosity, and once again, happy birthday, enjoy your day.
Namaste, Mercy sister. Today is your birthday. On this special day of your life, I wish that you get more happiness and joy you deserve, and all your dreams come true. Happy birthday to you, sister. Wishing you a wonderful birthday. Want to sing a small song on your birthday? पर में सबसे प्यारा होता है एक दिन, तो दुआएं दे रहा है तुमको आज के दिन. Wish you happy birthday, happy birthday to you. साल भर में सबसे प्यारा होता है एक दिन, सो दुआएं दे रहा दिल तुमको आज के दिन. Wish you happy birthday to you. Wish you happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear sister. God bless you.
Hello everyone! Happy birthday to you, Nina Mercy Verham! I love you po. Happy birthday to you. I wish you're always in good health. Yun lang naman ang kailangan sa'yo na sa buhay. Na bigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay at good health kasi nasa yun na lahat. Wala ka ng problema. Yun lang ang good health mo. And then, love life, okay, walang love life, basta happy. Being alone, happy, no? Salamat po sa iyo na naging bahagi ka. Naging bahagi ako, kami, ng iyong buhay dito sa loob ng YouTube board. Salamat po sa iyong full support. Maraming salamat po talaga na nakilala kita sa lahat ng iyong mga supporters na naging kaibigan ko na rin sa mundo ng YouTube board. Salamat sa iyo, Ninang Mercy. I call you Ninang na. Oh, I love you so much. I love you from the bottom of our hearts, from the team Wak Wak, your team Wak Wak, diba? You are my founder. Oh. Okay, I love you po and thank you so much. Basta, always happy are here for you. Oh, I love you. Thank you so much and God bless always. Stay pretty, stay humble, stay generosity. Oh, yeah. Ganyan ka, no? Ganyan ka. Kahit na di pa tayo nakita in real life, pero I know you are very sweet and generosity person, very humble. So yeah, I miss your behavior and your attitude. Oh, English pa si Abby. Basta yun na. Basta happy birthday to you. Walang matanda sa personality, bahala na yung edad dyan. Oh. I love you. Thank you. I love you from the bottom of our heart. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Mercy Verham, wanna sing birthday to you. Happy birthday. Wish ko na bigyan ka pa ni Lord na malusog na pangangatawan, mahabang buhay. God bless sa channel mo, sa mga supporter mo. Thank you sa pag-support sa channel ko. Hindi ko masyadong makapalita din sa live ko. Busy, may priority ako sa bahay. Hindi na ako sa bahay. Ito lang masasabi ko. Good luck. Enjoy your day. Sama sa mga friends mo dyan. Enjoy sa pag-celebrate sa birthday mo. Ang masasabi ko once again, happy birthday. More birthdays to come. And a long life and good health. Love you, loves. Thank you so much.
Madam Mercy, happy birthday sa iyo. Long life. Kaya may mga problema na yan. Bahala yung problema sa iyo. Basta chillax lang, go go go. Ngayon na kaarawan mo, sana mahaba-haba pa yung buhay na ibibigay sa iyo ng Diyos. Happy birthday, Madam Mercy. Long life, more blessings. Alam ko naman mabait kang tao, Madam Mercy, marami kang natutulungan eh. Kaya happy birthday, happy birthday sa iyo. Ingat palagi. Bye-bye.
May babatiin tayo ng happy birthday. Happy birthday, Bessie, and God bless you always. And happy birthday and more birthday to come. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo ay good, healthy, and gagaling na yung mga nararamdaman mo sa sakit. And kailangan tayong mag-pray kay Lord kasi number 1 talaga ni Lord. Nandyan lagi sa tabi mo. And nandito lang kami mga friends mo, nagmamahal sa'yo. And wala akong masabi na. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Bessie. Hep hep hooray. I love you, Bessie, and God bless you always.
Ate Mercy, happy birthday. Ayan, God bless Ate Mercy. We love you. Ingat ka po palagi at salamat din po sa palaging pag-support sa akin. Love you, ate.
Enjoy the moment. Don't rush the day. Let your heart dance. Close your worries straight. Close your eyes.
I wish you all the best, darling Mercy Wareham, and happy birthday to you. Ayan po, nandito ako sa bus. And many more birthday to come. And God bless you always, and ingat ka palagi dyan, with a good health. So always be happy. Kung na-stress ka, itulog mo lang yan. So maraming salamat sa iyo dahil naging kaibigan kita. Yun, maraming birthdays to come to you. Love you.
Hello, good evening, good morning, good afternoon. Sa araw na to, meron tayong babatiin na isang espesyal na tao sa aming buhay mag-asawa. Ayan, ang aming angel. Ayan, alam mo na yan kung sino ka. Wish ko sa'yo na bigyan ka pa ng habang buhay, long life, and have a partner or my forever. I love you, Sisi Love. Happy birthday. Sorry late ang namin ng video. Busy lang ang iyong sister. Yan, happy birthday. Sisi Love Mercy Wareham. Ikaw yung angel namin, ng aming mag-asawa. Ito na kami ngayon. Ayan, salamat sa iyo. Maraming salamat. Dahil sa iyo, alam mo na yan. So, Sisi Love, I love you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday from Victor and Feli.
Hi, Sisi Love. Happy birthday for your birthday. And wish you all the best and many years to come. Cheers.
Cheers. Happy birthday, Sisi Love. I love you. We love you.
Love, Sisi Love.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
From Victor and Feli. We love you.
Hi, Ate Mercy. I want to wish you a happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Have a wonderful and very exciting birthday to celebrate. Thank you for being so unstoppable supporters and for being so generosity, not only me but everyone. More blessing to you and more power in your YouTube channel. Just always think, always happy and don't stress out yourself about the basher. Ayan, happy lang tayo. And cheers! Happy birthday again, Ate Mercy. Thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to greet you a happy birthday and for being, choosing me to be one of your friends. Thank you. Bye-bye. Love you. Mwah.
This is your plan, be what you want. Have you a cake, buy up the mall. This is your day.
Happy birthday po, Ate Mercy.
Happiest birthday, Lalabs Mercy Wareham. Wishing you more happiest birthday to come and stay healthy always. You're so sweet and lovely. Don't go changing, but change for the better. God bless you and more blessing.
Hello, Honey Mercy. Happy birthday. You are an independent, efficient, smart, sexy, wonderful lady. So you don't need anyone in your life. So independent, so smart. Happy birthday, darling. I want to see you. Long life, happy, healthy, wonderful. All the best. Love you.
Happy birthday po, Mami. Hope more birthdays to come po. And wish ko lang po ay sana always ka pong healthy at bigyan ka pa po ni Lord ng marami pa pong birthdays. Happy birthday po and I love you.
A bouquet of flowers for a gorgeous lady with a golden heart. Madam Mercy Wareham, wishing you a happy birthday. May you always enjoy a good health. Pagpalarin ka nawa ni Lord ng mas mahaba pang buhay na may malusog na pangangatawan at isipan. Lalabs, isa kang tunay na mabait na kaibigan. Mahal na mahal ka namin. At nandito lang kami, nakasuporta lagi sa'yo. Ipagpatuloy mo lang kung ano ang iyong nasimulan. I love you, Lalabs. Happy birthday!
It's Gina here. Happy birthday, my Beshi Mercy and my BFF. I wish you good health and happiness in your life. Have a good one and enjoy your day, and we're going to having a party later. Love you. Mwah.
Hello po, Madam Mercy Wareham. Magandang araw po. Gusto ko lang po kayong batiin ng happy birthday po. Sana po marami pa po kayong birthday na dumating. Salamat po sa mga blessing na binibigay nyo sa amin, sa Team Permanatics po. Salamat rin po sa support nyo sa Permanatics, kay Sis M, Marites Lumboy, sa aming co-founder at sa aming founder po kay Tito Per. Salamat po sa support. Happy birthday po.
Hello po, Lalabas Mercy. Sa Rochelle po ito ng Permanatics. Gusto ko lang po sana kayong batian ng happy birthday po. More blessings to come. God bless po always. And lagi po kayong mag-iingat sa araw-araw na gagawin nyo. And maraming salamat po sa laging pag-share ng blessings sa aming team. Yun po. Happy birthday po. Enjoy your day.
Hello, Ma'am Mercy. Happy birthday po. Many birthdays to come. God bless you po, Ma'am Mercy. We love you.
Hello. Good morning, Madam Mercy Wareham. Bago ang lahat, babatiin muna kita ng happy birthday. At more birthday to come. Bigyan ka pa ng lakas ng loob, tibay, pangatawan at mahabang buhay. At palagi kang gabay ng Panginoon. At Miss Mercy Wareham, kahit bago lang tayo nakakilala sa YT at malaki ng tulong mo na nagawa sa mga kapwa nating YouTuber. At big love shout out sa inyo lahat dyan, lalo sa pamilya mo dyan sa ibang bansa. Ingat palagi. At yan, kahit bago tayo nakakilala at nakakilala tayo dahil kay Paring Future. At support sa YT. At Thank you sa lahat-lahat ng mga blessing na dumarating sa iyo at sa blessing din sa mga binibigay mo sa mga ibang mga YouTuber at lalo na sa amin. Thank you Miss Mercy Wareham at big love shout out and happy birthday. God bless to all. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, dear Mercy sis. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mercy sis. Happy birthday to you. And I sing a song for your birthday. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Mercy sis. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday Mercy sis, and I love you so much. Bye-bye.
Hello everyone! Ayan, para kay Ma'am Mercy Wareham, kay Lupit ng Pag-ibig. Ayan, favorite song niya to kasi lagi niya itong nire-request ng panahon ng aming pagla-live. Ayan. Happy birthday sa iyo, Ma'am Mercy Wareham. Ayan, sana ay nasa mabuting kalagayan at kalusugan. Di ko na kailangan pang umibig. Pagod na ako sa kakaisip. Bakit ba kay ilap ng tadhana? Bakit kay sakit ang umasa? Para kay Ma'am Mercy Wareham. Bakit ba bigla kang nagbago? Bakit ba bigla kang naglaho? Kahit ayaw ko nang isipin, pero kailangan tanggapin. Bakit ba hindi ka parehas? Pag-ibig, bakit kay lupit mo sa akin? Ano bang nagawa? Ako ba ay sinumpa? Thank you. Happy birthday, Ma'am Mercy. Namiss kita.
Thank you for all the birthday wishes. They truly made my day so special. Thank you guys, and I love you all. And it's another year, another older. It's only a number anyway, so just think that it's only a number is how you feel. Anyway, just keep going and be happy and grateful for another year, and that's for me. And God bless us all, and again, thank you very much. I love you.